Hi everyone, today I'll be taking you through the ETF basket view on Atlas. So when you first log in using your username, which is your email, and your password, which we have provided for you, it'll bring you to this page. Make sure the top is highlighted. This is the basket view, as you can see at the top, and then also make sure ETFs is highlighted as well. This will show you all the header information. So you've got the name, the NAV, the shares outstanding, and you can scroll across to see more data. You can also add columns. So for example, if you click on this columns tab and you can scroll down and everything that's checked is in view. However, everything that's unchecked is currently not in view. If I want to add the ISIN, so you just click on there and it has popped up right there for me. You can also pin columns. So if you want to pin the ticker column, you can click on the three dots and go pin to the left, and it will stay there when you scroll across. You can also add favorites. So by clicking on the star, it will add to your favorites tab. It will confirm when it's saved. So you can remove that as well. You can also search by the ETF up here. So if you wanted to look at iShares, you can search that, and then as you can see, all the iShares ETFs will show up. Or you can search by, in the three lines, you can go by the ticker. So if I wanted to look at SPY, go apply, and you can see it will pop up there. Anything that has SPY in it, it will sort that. So let's look at the constituent data. So just click on the ETF that you want to look at, and all the constituent data will be down here. You can click this button in the top right left click it there, and it will show you the date that you're looking at, the version number, and then also raw files if you want to export, for example, the raw file, raw creation, raw enhanced. You can also change the date, so if you wanted to look at Wednesday instead, which was yesterday, you can see switch between the baskets of the tracking, creation, holdings, redemption, and enhanced. This will also show you the NAV date, the AUM, the shares outstanding, and then more identifiers as well. Down here, you'll see all the constituents, and then also their identifiers. This is also a calculation area. So as you can see the calculated notional and the calculated weight. I'll just bring those up. And this is customizable as well. So you can click notional and you'll see the drop down where it shows the notional, the shares, and the unit. For example, if you wanted to add a couple zeros, this will recalculate here, and this will be reflected in the calculations. And then you can also add columns as well. As you can see, when you scroll down, if you wanted to add the NAV or the CDOL, you can. You can also group. So if you wanted to group by industry, you can see that, and then you just drag down here. And if you only were looking at software, you can see the constituents that are in software. We also will show the capital gains tax as well as the listings. So yeah. You can also export this data to a CSV by clicking these three dots and go export CSV, or you can also reset to default view. You can also clear all the filters by just clicking clear, which we should see. Or if you want to remove this, you just go remove and it will bring it back to the list. It's also the same for the top. So for the header information, you just go three dots, export the header information to CSV. This will show you all the ETFs that you have in a list, or you can go reset to default view and it will reset. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're always happy to answer them. Thank you.